Pasay City. Happy Palanya joined by Wild Wild West, Wesley Gonzalez. Logo, both of these teams still without a basket. Renz Palma, could this end the drought? Yes, sir. First points on the board, courtesy of Renz Palma.
Stronger teams, you cannot afford to start slow. As Renz Palma's first shot was blocked, but because of Negros.
Elorde out to Jervy Cruz, stops, pops, gets the jumper to go. He definitely has a coconut hit from the outside. Kyle Tolentino, early substitution here for Coach Elvis Tolentino, and Kyle will be able to knock down that three.
Kaya lang naman nakakalaro yan, but Kyle Tolentino has earned this spot and making another three-pointer.
Rodriguez trying to go down low to Fajarito, gets it inside, and that's an easy score para kay Christian Fajarito. Antiporda, who got an early sub in because of Renz Palma's injury earlier. Jeff Comia. Here come the Muscovados. Comia all the way. That's defense to offense for Negros.
Oh, not only in this league, in this sport.
Oh, I hope so. Sana magdilang ang ka nga. As Jeff Comia gets the basket and won the hoop and the hoop. Going up against Antiporda, Cruz, Comia, Brix Ramos, and Mark Atabay. Ooh, Val Acuna between the eyes. Too strong. The tap back to Cruz. Jem wanted a foul. Comia ends up with it, and Comia scores on the floater.
Very in that situation, but they were still able to get a two-pointer from that.
Oh, Kyle Tolentino knocking it down from the left corner. That's going to count, but big right after that. Our referees are solving that right away. Dumapig able to get the left-hand finish to go. Atabay way behind his comfort zone. He gives it back out. Cani rejects the screen. Cani all the way to the cup. Comia in front of him. Dumapig has been bruising his way past the defense here in the second quarter. Apreku, well-timed cut on the basket. Cani still with the basketball. 2 on the shot clock. Comia had to take it, and he makes it. It's a difficult-looking jumper. He's made a lot of that during the course of his career. Renz Palma, the dipsy, too. Pasay City. Capobres goes behind the back, working against the defense of Marvin Jonicio. Eventually, Hamito helped, but
ang trabaho ko was to defend the other guys' offensive threat. And then, offensively, if I score, then okay. If not, okay lang din. But, you lalakas. You have to pick your spots. You have to know your role.
Oh, block right there was Christian Fajarito, but he recovers. It scores
in this league.
Slow start once again, just like their game against Bulacan. Kaunan floats it up and in. Negros.
I really feel that kasi now that I see, younger players, playing, natutuwa ka on how they
here in the MPBL, and that's why he trusts Coach Elvis Tolentino to be able to maintain that star status para sa kanya. Palma all over him, inches closer, short on the one-hander. Palma only has Hosso to beat. He will go all the way. Renz Palma for 2 points. Elorde cuts inside. They go to the left. Tolentino pulls up for 3 off the bounce. That's good para kay Kyle Tolentino.
Kyle Tolentino, meron na yung confidence si Renz Palma in attacking to the basket. Parang maski sinong kaharap niya, gusto niyang atakihin. As you see, the cutting Comia. And a good...
Not get the tip in to go. Elorde to Kyle. Hand in the face, no problem para kay Kyle Tolentino.
Grabe yung...
Sorry so far, 8 out of 20 for South Cotabato, only 1 out of 7 for Negros. Kyle Tolentino, this time inside the paint, gets his first 2-pointer.
His name with 3 rebounds.
That just goes to show how highly skilled the players are nowadays. Kyle Tolentino, right after that traveling call, he felt like it was a clean move by Pio Longa, but John Wilson gives the lead back. The South Cotabato short on the 3. Elorde leaves it for Wilson. Back-to-back trays for John Wilson. On the corner, Rodriguez now on the block. A little bit too tight there, down low. Hoss on top of the circle. 3 is money.
Good decision.
On top, a little bit of a zone still so far here for South Cotabato. They go to the corner. Longa, he can hit that and he makes it.
And that's how yun ang depensa sa kanila.
Down by 2 itong Negros. That's only the second 3-point shot of the game para dito sa Negros, while John Wilson.
Oo, kasi he's very smart. He's very, it's very deceiving. He's not that most athletic guy you see in the court. Pero iba yung
Antiporda goes to the left side. Comia, floater on the baseline. That's 2 more points para kay Jeff Comia. Rodriguez across to Pajarito. 1 fake goes up and 2 points against Jem Cruz para kay Christian Pajarito. Antiporda still hasn't attempted a shot from the outside. He's had moments where he was open, not taking the shot. Jem Cruz, though, will not be shy. Point man for Negros. Jem Cruz having trouble with the rock. Palma, catch, set, fire, splash.
good recognition by...
A little bit too strong. Tolentino gets it back. Acuna, step to the right 3. Sorry, step to the left. They find Chris Dumapig underneath. Elorde will take it from 3. That's short. Pajarito over everybody inside, gets the basket plus the foul.
Yeah, I mean, some people might, find it weird.
Well, whatever works for you, Wes, and that works para kay Reds Palma. Laro na to, cuts the lead to 3. Tolentino answers. What a cold-blooded shot by Kyle Tolentino. Oh, no.
Exactly. I mean, that's the good thing about Coach.
This guy isn't short of confidence. Never at all. John Wilson. Comia. Negros needs a basket here. Cani knocks it down for them. Only have the power to do that. Cani, can he go back to back? Yes, sir. Rattles that 3 down. Isolation. Longa in an island. Cani comes through and helps. Comia is free for those 2 points. Has picked up in the past couple of minutes here for Negros. Quick spin to the baseline. Pajarito has it tapped from behind. Jonicio, the fake and the score. They leave it for Enzo Hoson. Hoson and Longa, familiar foes in the UAP. Pajarito to bail them out. What a big shot. Regional Online Basketball ending sa Pinas. Shot clock winding down here for Negros. Atabay inside, redeeming himself for that last miss. Setting the screen here for Elorde. Nico wants another one. This time it's from Pajarito. Elorde from 18 feet. It's blocked by Pajarito. Comia has 20 in this game. Kaunan from the elbow. Big shot for Rick Kaunan. Does in this possession. Elorde goes to the left side. Tolentino, he's been big tonight and he continues to do so. What? 22. Here comes Hubert Cani. Cani will take it. The step back off the blast. Hubert Cani. Tolentino is on the left side. Elorde goes to Pajarito. He fires for 3 and he backs it off too. What is happening? Hit after hit. Haymaker after haymaker. But in the end, South Cotabato holding on for that victory.